Hello everybody to the first episode of my new series with the appropriate title Coding Till I Don't Suck Anymore. I have read multiple times that to track my progress, get better, etc., I should do coding videos to show the world basically how bad I am at coding and hopefully to get better at some point. So I decided that's what I'm gonna do. So you can accompany me today on my first lead code problem called TwoSum. So we're going to take a look at this together, hopefully solve it, and hopefully at some point get better at it. Well, it's an easy task, as you can see here. Basically, what we need to do is find the sum, the target, by adding two numbers together, basically till we find the target. Yeah, so the easiest solution that comes to my mind is to create two for loops and basically try out every combination possible. Yeah, before I start, I should do it properly and draw it down on a whiteboard. So my thought is, like I explained, the array, numbers, and then basically start with the first one, and then add the second, third, fourth to see if something happens. If not, continue with the second, and so on and so forth. Yeah, excuse my handwriting, please. I know I'm drawing with a mouse, but my real-life handwriting is not much better than this. So that's the basic theory behind that. I guess there's no need to explain that much. Let's just start. I'm gonna go with the first for loop with the variable called I in the range of the length of the array nums. Inside that, create another for loop for the second variable in the range from 1, from the index 1 till the length of nums, because we don't need to compare the first number with itself, I guess. And then just create a basic if statement. If nums from I plus nums from j equals target, then return an array with I and j. If nothing is to be found, then just return an empty array. Exactly. So let's see what happens. Yeah, of course. See, silly mistake. Yay. So I solved the 3 test cases. Surprise, surprise. Let's submit the code. Oh, okay, here's a mistake. Okay. Then do this and I not gleich j. Write out like this. And we did it. Not the best solution, as we can see here, because basically it's a runtime of n squared, I would say, because basically you need to look at every number through the whole array and then compare it with every other number in the array and continue it like this. So, I mean, it works, but it's not the best solution. I have to say I did some research about how to do it otherwise to be faster. And I found a solution that I quite like, and it's using a hash map. Basically, how it works is, as you can see, I'm German, so don't complain about that, please. So basically, you create a hash map. and store the numbers inside. Like for example, index 0 is number n, index 1 is number m, or whatever. And then we basically continue from here and compare it with the number that we need that's going to give the result. So basically, to put it into proper words, you have the target, b, equals number a plus number b. No? So, and then we're going to fix one number, for example, a, then it will be e minus b equals a. Thinking about it, I don't like it that much solution. How about like this? Let's try something else. Let's try something else. We're gonna start with a for loop again in the range of the length of the array. So then we're gonna, no, wait, first we need to create the hash map. That was not gonna give me anything. So, genau. And inside the for loop, I can collect my thoughts again from nums from I, gonna be I. Exactly, yeah. So, okay, makes sense. Yeah, so, genau. Gonna save the numbers in the hash map with the according index here. So basically it's gonna look like this. The other way around. N is gonna be in index 0. M gonna be in the index 1. Yeah, exactly the other way around. So let's do this. And we're gonna continue with another for loop. And then we're gonna say, basically, like I said, the target equals a plus b, basically. So we need to change it. We're gonna look at b. Gonna be the target minus a. And a in our case is the number that we're gonna fix. And that's gonna be from I, from the index I, so the number inside. Then we also need a conditional statement to check what we checked for. So if b is already in the hash map and the hash map from no, b is not I. Exactly. Otherwise, we're going to have the same problem like earlier. Then please return I and the hash map from B. Exactly. It should work. Hopefully. Take a look. Which mistake did I do again? I forgot again the same mistake that happened to me earlier. Please excuse me. This is my first video, so I need to get used to talking and coding at the same time. Usually I only think while coding. Now I have to talk as well. Okay, looks good so far. What I forgot is if we don't find anything, return empty array. Okay, submit it. Yay, much faster. Astonishing how fast it is with a hash map. Okay, guys, that was it for now. Thank you for watching my video. Hopefully, if you have tips for logical thinking and how to prevent errors and silly mistakes that I made like this, please let me know. And otherwise, I wish you a nice day and thank you.